Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to do bead stairs. That This is the bead stairs. So child love the colors. 1 red, 2 is green, 3 is pink, 4 is yellow, 5 is blue, 6 is purple, 7 is white, 8 is brown, 9 is dark blue. After the child practice how to make that, then we will do 3 period lesson. 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the first period. Now the second period is, can you give me 2? Can you give me 3? Can you give me 1? Second period. Now the third period is, can you put 3 next to 2? Can you put 2 next to 1? Can you put 1 next to 3? This is the 3 period lesson. In this way, the child is learning the colors and the quantity. In this way, we have to do all till 9. Now we are going to match the quantity with the number. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9. In this way, child loved and he got the interest to doing this, seeing the color and the quantity.